as Giridharan.
My name is Viasino.
In this, we are going to talk about
Door
door
alarm.
In this method, you are seeing battery, IC alarm, uh, uh, alarm, LED light, magnetic reed switch, and buzzer.
The magnet is behind the door. When it comes to contact with the reed switch connect together and this close the circuit. When it is closed, the other objects are operated. The reed switch contains the reed switch contains two rods. When the magnet is shown on them, the two rods join together and close the circuit. Thank you.